Hi guys, today's reading lesson is a compare and contrast lesson, comparing and contrasting the text Night and Day from last week to the text The Wind and the Sun that we read this week. If you haven't read these stories recently, now would be a good time to revisit those stories before you continue with this assignment. Now that you're ready, I'd like you to think about the genre of each text. What type of text was Night and Day? That's right, Night and Day was information text. It gave us facts about night and day. What type of text was The Wind and the Sun? It was a fable. It had characters and taught us a lesson. Whoops. Let's go back. There we go. Now think about a way that both those texts were the same. Both of those texts told about things in the sky. Now let's think of some more features that the text had. What type of features did Night and Day have? Did it have characters, a setting? Did it tell facts about real things? Night and Day gave us facts. The Wind and the Sun tells a story. It had characters. What's another way both texts were the same? Think about our unit theme. Both texts told about the sun. They include the sun in the text. Now I would like you to think about the purpose the author had for writing each story. Why did the author write Night and Day? To teach us, to explain, to entertain, or persuade? The purpose of Night and Day is to inform. It taught us about different things that are true about night and day. Well, about the wind and the sun. The author's purpose is to entertain. It also taught a lesson. One more way that both these texts were the same is they both had visuals. In Night and Day, the author used photographs to explain and inform. The Wind and the Sun the wind and the sun had pictures to show the story. This lesson should help you fill out page 13 in your reading comprehension booklet. I hope you learned a lot about comparing and contrasting different types of texts. See you next time.